All right, let me take you on a quick escape through some of the most beautiful spots in New York City. Trust me, there's way more to this place than just skyscrapers, yellow cabs. First stop, Central Park. No matter the season, it's pure magic. In the spring, cherry blossoms explode in color. In the fall, the leaves look like someone spilled a box of crayons. There's always something going on. People jogging, dogs chasing frisbees, artists sketching under the trees. It's a slice of calm right in the chaos. Now let's head downtown. The High Line, an old railway turned into a park in the sky. You get wildflowers, art installations, some of the best views of the city's west side. It's like walking through a living, breathing art gallery. Next, the Brooklyn Bridge. Walk it at sunset and you'll see the city light up. The skyline reflected on the water, maybe even a street performer or two. It's one of those places that just makes you stop and go, wow, I'm really here. And don't miss Dumbo. That iconic view of the Manhattan Bridge, framed perfectly between old brick buildings. Honestly, it's Instagram heaven. Grab a coffee, watch the river soak it all in. Finally, end your day at top of the rock. The city from up here? It's pure electricity. Skyscrapers stretching out forever, lights twinkling like stars. New York's beauty isn't just in the landmarks. It's in the energy, the people, the surprises around every corner. If you haven't seen it for yourself, you're missing out. See you in the city.